Does the SUD Life Century Plus plan truly secure your financial journey for the long haul, or does it just lock you into a rigid structure? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to Holistic Investment .in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is a limited premium, non-linked, non-participating endowment life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: it comes with life insurance cover and optional riders for accident and disability. It acts as both an insurance plan and a medium to long-term savings option. It offers you guaranteed maturity benefits. There is a premium payment term of 5 years and a policy term between 10 to 16 years. And your premiums will be payable on a yearly basis. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit and maturity benefit. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: your riders can be added to enhance the base policy. Policyholder can avail a loan of up to 70% of the surrender value. All benefits under this plan are guaranteed. So these are some of the advantages. However, the disadvantages are: the premium payment term is fixed at 5 years, which may not suit every investor, and premiums can only be paid annually with no flexibility in payment frequency, and no loyalty additions are offered for long-term investors. And although the benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns are relatively low and not competitive. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to help us make a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So now we are going to calculate the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So let us assume that a 30-year-old male opts for this plan with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. The policy term is 16 years with a premium payment term of 5 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh. So premiums are paid for 5 years, after which the investor waits until the 16th year for maturity. At maturity, the total benefit would be 9.76 lakh. This IRR works out just to 4.88% as per the maturity calculator, which is lower than the inflation rate, making it unattractive as an investment. So the plan also suffers from poor liquidity, as the money remains locked for 11 years after premium payments end. So the 10 lakh sum assured is insufficient to provide meaningful financial security. So in short, the combination of low returns, inadequate life cover, and lack of liquidity makes this policy an unsuitable option for both insurance and investment purpose. So now that we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, which is inflation beating returns, we are going to conduct a comparative analysis now, where we are going to explore an alternative strategy in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately. So for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured, which cost us 10,400 rupees annually for a 16-year policy term, which is for a 5-year premium payment period, and this leaves us with 89,600 rupees per year from the 1 lakh budget available for investment. So if invested in equity mutual funds for higher risk investor, the maturity value works out as 22.17 lakhs, which is pre-tax value. So the post-tax value after capital gains tax is 20.12 lakhs. The combined strategy of term insurance plus mutual fund generates an IRR of 10.38%. And if you do want to know how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. Why this combination works better is the returns comfortably beat inflation, and liquidity is superior, which means mutual funds offer redemption flexibility, and insurance is also cost effective, ensuring adequate protection. This comparison highlights how separating insurance and investment delivers higher returns, better liquidity, and stronger financial security. Advantages that the SUD plan clearly only lakhs. Then what is the final verdict? Is investing in the SUD Life Century Plus plan worth it or not? So this is a traditional life insurance policy that promises guaranteed returns at maturity. However, both the policy term and premium payment duration are fixed, which may not suit individual financial needs. This rigidity often leads to a mismatch between personal goals and the policy's maturity timeline. You pay premiums for a limited period but must wait until the end of the policy term to access the benefits, meaning your funds remain locked throughout. An evaluation of returns show that the plan offers suboptimal performance for a long-term investment, while the sum assured is often inadequate to provide meaningful protection, and it also has a high agent commission. Together, these drawbacks makes the plan less appealing as either an insurance solution or an investment vehicle. A better approach is to separate insurance from investment. With a pure term policy, you get sufficient life coverage at an affordable cost, while your investments can be directed into suitable avenues customized to your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and life goals.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.